Direct replacement. This 4WD switch matches the fit and function of the original switch on specific vehicle applications. Effective fix. Restores proper 4WD operation after original switch degrades and fails. Durable construction. Built for reliable longevity, free of defects in materials and craftsmanship. Trustworthy quality, backed by team of designers and engineers in the United States. Ensure fit. To make sure this part fits your exact vehicle, input your make, model and trim level into the garage tool. This transfer case switch directly replaces the original equipment switch on certain vehicle years, makes and models. This part is compatible with the following vehicles. Before purchasing, enter your vehicle trim in the garage tool to confirm fitment. Top reviews from the United States. What a great repair. When my transmission screwed up weeks after getting my 2000 S10, I was pissed. YouTube suggested this repair. I bought the part and asked my local repair shop the installation price. They estimated $300. I was under my truck less than 5 minimizes and a year later not one missed shift.